Salami, and you're welcome to Trending Today on the News Chronicle TV. These are the stories that have been trending across the globe. First up, we have Serap. Serap has urged President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to direct the Attorney General and anti-corruption agencies to probe the alleged disappearance of 26 billion naira from the Petroleum Technology Development Fund and Federal Ministry of Petroleum Resources in 2021. Now, here's the interesting part. Serap warned that if no action was taken within the next 7 days, it will pursue a legal action to compel the Tinubu government to act. Now, we'll see how that turns out. Meanwhile, in an interesting plot twist, the presidency has called on opposition leaders, and I'm talking Atiku Abubakar, Peter Obi, Nasir Kwankwaso, Rotimi Amechi, Nasir El-Rufai, to wait till 2027 election to test their popularity instead of heating up the polity. Now, this follows Atiku's accusation of the Tinubu's administration. He allegedly said that the Tinubu's administration gave 50 million naira each to opposition leaders to weaken their unity. Now, we don't know if that is true, but we'll find out later, probably. Moving on to the business world, oil marketers are not finding Dangote Petroleum Refinery's decision to cut the ex-depot petrol price from 950 naira to 890. Now, this is why they are not finding it funny. They bought the fuel at that price, and now it would be a hassle selling it with the new price installed. While, of course, the decision favors consumers, oil marketers are likely to face some losses. Meanwhile, telecom operators are preparing to implement the 50% tariff hike, which was approved by the NCC on January 20th. And then we have the Nigeria Labour Congress and the Trade Union Congress coming out for a protest. February 4th, which is tomorrow, they are demanding that price, the hike, will be reduced to 5%. We don't know how this is going to play out. If at all they would listen to, the Trade Union Congress and bring the hike down to maybe 25%, but let's hope that the strike would prove something positive for consumers. And then in the world of sports, Arsenal fans are head over heel after their team defeated Man City 5-1. This is really sad for Man City, but let's hope that they will improve in the next match. And then in the world of entertainment, Nigerian singer Tems took home the Grammy Award for the Best African Music Performance, making it her second Grammy win, which is really awesome, for the singer. A big congratulations to her. And then Beyonce also made record in the 67th Grammy Awards by winning Album of the Year. Now, she has been nominated 4 times in the past, so it's really a good one. For stories like this, be sure to check our news website at thenews-chronicle.com, and also be sure to like this content. If you would like to see more like this, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Comment what you think about the stories I covered, and I'll see you another time. Bye bye.